Samsung's latest foldable phones recently got unveiled, and we've got a summary of how deep you'll need to reach to get each of them. Here is the pricing information for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and Z Fold4 across the US and the UK, where pre-orders in all three regions are already open, while open sales will start on August 26th. Samsung US is offering up to $1,000 trade-in value for the Z Fold4, and Samsung Europe is offering up to your €950/1,000 trade-in for the Z Flip4 and Z Fold4 respectively. Samsung UK is offering up to £490 trade-ins for the Z Flip4 and up to £580 for the Z Fold4, where buyers also get 1 year of free Samsung Care Plus insurance. This year's foldable smartphones from Samsung, looking very similar to their last year's counterparts, have brought a number of upgrades and slightly changed screens, and it looks like the company is trying to convince us that the foldables are not just the devices of the future. They are the reality now by making a good case with the new repair cost. One of the user's biggest concerns is the fragile bendable display that is extremely costly to replace. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold 3 or Flip 3 would set you back $249 for an out-of-warranty screen repair, and that's with Samsung's Care Plus subscription plan otherwise. The price would be comparable to the worth of a used phone this year. However, the company is lowering the cost significantly and is now just $29. Even if you are on the lowest Samsung Care Plus tier for $11 per month, well, that's a pretty good deal if you need some peace of mind and are worried about the durability of the latest fold-up. More about the Z Fold4. As said by Samsung, the new foldable flagship comes with One UI 4.1.1 out of the box, and has plenty of new features for optimal multitasking that was developed with partners. With all the focus on the new camera and design changes, one of its novelties went overlooked, which is the Z Fold4 being the first smartphone to officially ship with Android 12. Outstanding for large screens, which means foldables, tablets, and Chrome OS devices. Google initially introduced the L version back in October 2021, and then reminded us about it 6 months later. It can be installed on any device, but it is optimized for multitasking, and apps are redone to adapt to big screens. Google Apps come in 2 columns, which is easier to navigate on a squarish display and select productivity. And social media apps are also aware when the device is folded, so they switch to their regular orientation. The Android 12 leaders now comes only on the Fold 4, where the clamshell Flip 4 is better suited to running the regular flavor of Android despite the folding panel. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.